I welcome you to today's language class. What are we learning today? Time, science. What do I say? Time, science. The first one, day. A D hand. Day. 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 Morning. 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 Afternoon. 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 Evening. 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 And night. Night. The sun is down. Night. How about today? Today. Today. That is now and day. Now and day. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Your A and you. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yesterday. Your Y and you. Yesterday. 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 Week. 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 Month. 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 Year. 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 That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.